Hey, if you're tired of political posts automatically appearing on Threads, in this video I'll show you how to turn off suggested political content and make your feed cleaner. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated about my new tutorials. So, the first thing you need to do is open your Threads app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Once you're in Threads, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. When you're on your profile, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see two horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the settings. Once you're in Settings, find the section called Content Preferences and tap on it. After that, you'll see several options. Find political content and tap on it. Finally, you'll see the option Suggested Political Content. Tap the switch to turn it off. Once you do this, Threads will less frequently suggest political content in your feed. It's important to note that this won't remove political posts you already follow. It only reduces new suggestions. You can turn the option back on at any time if you want political content to appear again. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.